That's all fine and dandy. There's nothing wrong with all those things.
Take away Satan. I see all these niggas hating, but my mind racing. I be in the clouds, they can't love me now. Mind racing, paper chasing. I see them niggas flaking.
What's up, QUAN RARA gang? We are back with another video.
What's up, gang? How you doing? I got my hair out today, and I got a chop. You see me glowing? Look at the hairline. Boom. Let me lift it up. Hold up. Let me lift. Oh, crispy. You know what I'm saying?
On this beautiful Sunday, it was beautiful outside today.
Yeah, it was pretty sunny. You know what I'm saying?
It was beautiful outside.
I didn't have to
today.
wear a jacket, really.
He made a little rapping video outside. You follow us on Instagram, of course. You see it. Remember, follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter.
I mean, we'll put all that down below or in the video somewhere.
Or it'll be at the end of the video.
You know what I'm saying?
Also, comment below for a shout out.
But, yeah, today, you see we got these little boxes. Look like we got some little reds right here.
Like we got some fire. Some fire.
But, you know what I'm saying? Today we're doing a mukbang. And, we're just going to be talking about, you know, mental health issues, you know, just dealing with different types of them. Because, I mean, to be real, I think a lot of us really deal with mental health issues, but people just push it to the side or tell you to just suppress it instead of talk about it. So
We're gonna talk about it.
we're gonna get into this video.
We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it.
We're gonna get into
And
this video.
We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna grow. We're gonna show y'all what we grubbing on.
Yeah.
Be back.
You know what I'm saying? So we're about to go ahead and show you this food that we got. I'm gonna tell y'all it's our first place, but it's really, dang, I said first place. But it's our first time, but it's really our second time because we ate it last night. But it was so good, you know what I'm saying? You know them places where you just get some food, you be like, ooh, this is so tasty. You gotta get it the second time, so we got it the second time.
2P. There's this place called Wings Over Knox. Couple places have it actually on their website, but this is the only place in Tennessee that has it.
Yeah.
Fun fact there.
Okay.
So if you live in Knoxville, go try it. Wings Over Knox. Their prices ain't too crazy, and it's gonna get you full, and everything's exclusive. Got some wings. Got some wings. Can't really see it all.
I got the little tenders and tots. Oh, look at the light making it glow. Ooh, looks like manna from heaven. Ooh, yum. Nom nom nom. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I got a little side piece. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
he's gonna grab that.
I got a little piece of steak and a little piece of chicken. But I'm just eat because I'm a boy. But you know what I'm saying? Got a little drink.
No cap, mine's gone.
Because he thirsty.
He ain't finna play with me in his video. Not today. He ain't finna play with me today. That's what I'm do.
But
no, I got this though. And I got that blueberry Fanta. I played myself.
yes.
The blueberry Minute Maid.
Yeah.
I got the blueberry Minute Maid.
I don't know what you're talking about. But you feel me? I'm going ahead and eat. We're going to talk about mental health issues. Because I ain't going to lie. I think I got some. And I think I got them from my mama or my daddy. Definitely my mama, but I've never seen my daddy. I've never really seen my mom. We'll get into that later. But yeah, so I think I got some issues, and I've never really dealt with them. Really don't know how to. I don't know. What about you, man? She's sitting over there grubbing.
Yeah, I am. I'm sorry, guys, but chicken is really good. But when I was thinking about next topic for a video, this was instantly one of the things that came to my mind. I feel like it's something that is a real issue in our society. And it's not really, people really don't try to deal with it for real, or talk about it for real, unless it's on social media and stuff. But even then, there's people reaching out. But some people don't really even pay into it, or then some people comment, and all that stuff. But even then, like, after you comment, you don't even really talk to those people after that. Because yes, I have dealt with a lot of things myself, like anxiety, depression, and like all of that stuff. So I feel like it should really be talked about, especially for young kids and grown up. College era, high school era, even middle school nowadays, because middle school kids be going through it too.
Yeah, man, there's just a lot going on in our world, our society. People tell you gotta be this certain way, or look this certain way, or meet this quote, and if you're not, then you're kind of tossed to the side like you don't mean nothing.
Yeah, or like for females right now, oh, you gotta have eyelashes to be popping, you gotta have this frontal to be popping, you gotta have newest J's to be popping and all that. I mean, that's all fun and dandy. There's nothing wrong with all those things, y'all. But you don't have to have all those things to be popping or to be like accepted in society. Like,
I wonder who she talking to right now. Cause she be getting frontals in.
Boy, if you don't.
New shit. Nah, but she for real. That's real though. What she said. It's real. You don't have to have it. You can be you. Being regular is better anyway. Cause then again, when you gotta have all that stuff, you gotta maintain. You gotta keep it up. But I've learned to be myself. If people don't like me, then I can't change that, because people gonna have their own opinion about me, about you, about whoever else. But I do think some of my problems do stem from my childhood in general and just growing up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said in the last video, I grew up kind of hard.
I can, not to cut him off at all, but I can agree on that, like, and say that a lot of my mental issues, or not even issues, but like just things that I deal with on a daily basis that still kind of stick with me, came from like stuff that's happened in the past. And I don't know, I thought about therapy before and all of that stuff, but I don't really want to do that, because I don't know, it has to be like being able to talk to him about my stuff. So that helps me a lot. I'm still here, still ticking, so hey. But you should be able to talk to somebody. That's just the whole point of it. And don't ever feel like it's an issue that you have for real, like any less of yourself or anything, because it's completely normal, especially growing up. Man, it's hard. Going through college, high school, any of that.
Hard.
Because some people don't have people guiding them or right there, like telling them to get up, go to school, get up, go do this, go do that. Like, you need to do this. You need to set up a bank account. You need to set up a savings account. You need to learn how to manage money. You need to worry about being in debt. You don't need to go spend all your money on this. Like, people don't have that. So you gotta learn that.
Because the world is like the sea. It's full of sharks, full of all types of fish, and they will eat you. I've never been diagnosed by anything, because I'm a really smart person. It's just that I go through stuff and I don't understand why. But then again, you know, I gotta pray and I gotta trust God, but life just gets hard sometimes, and you know, you just break down. And if you don't have nobody to talk to and you're always alone, man, I already know how it feels, bro.
Yeah,
Them lonely nights and days just get hard.
Or if you feel like it's always a constant battle, something's always a constant battle, like within yourself or like in general, man, I'm telling you, you just gotta pray. Talk to somebody, pray, get out, do something you love to do. Go dance, go listen to music. Go
I dance all the time.
Write, man. Watch your favorite show on Netflix. Call up one of your girls on a FaceTime. Listen to some Megan Thee Stallion 80. She's dropped a new album. Listen to some, man, get on your level, right? That's what it takes for real to come out of that dark place. Be hard sometimes. People go through crazy stuff every day, B.
This is what I learned. You don't need everybody. You just need certain people. So like, cause I remember like my first year of college, like I had a whole bunch of friends. Like I'm thinking, yo man, we gonna be friends all college. No. We was friends for like that semester. Then we all broke apart. Went our own separate ways. So it's just like, don't think everything is forever, because it won't be forever. But I mean, I grew up around people that have real mental health issues, you know what I'm saying? And that's crazy to be around too, because it's like, dang, they can't even help it. You know what I'm saying? Like, they can't help it at all.
You hear the bad piece too?
Nah, that was some fat.
Oh.
I don't know why.
Whoa.
Hey, this steak is slapping though. Slapping.
Yeah. This was real good. And we love y'all. And but we're gonna eat the rest of this food after.
Yeah. See you later.
We'll be back in a minute for the rest of the video though. So it's okay.
What's up, gang? We're back. It's QUAN RARA. You know what I'm saying? Your girl Rara. Yeah, we just woke up. You see, we got my do-rag on. It's a hard little do-rag though. Little camouflage, little pink and blue and navy blue and all that type of stuff. But man, I think we took a pause on this video for like those days. But it's all good. We back in this thing, back better than ever. Before we ended out the video last time, you know, we was talking about mental health and how people don't know how to deal with it, or they don't know what steps to take to deal with it, or they don't know who to talk to. Because, you know, what I found in my life is, like, if you have a problem and, you know, you're going through something, people usually just tell you to brush it off like it doesn't really mean anything, and just tell you to, you know, keep going and don't be a sissy or don't cry about it. And, like, you know, how? We're all humans, man. We all have emotions. We all have issues. We all have problems. You know, everybody has something that they're going through. Even the rich people have something that they're going through. Poor people have something that they're going through. Middle class people have something. Everybody in the world has something that they go through that shapes them, that changes them, that forms them into the person that they are as an adult. I just say, man, find people that you could talk to. You know, find people that'll listen to you and won't take what you're saying and just, you know, push it off to the side like, oh, that doesn't really mean anything. Because we all mean something, and everybody that goes through something, it means something. But yeah, I'm gonna give it over to Rara and let her say her little spiel. trying to get a meal, never copping the grill.
Start talking about the real life stuff. That's when mental health issues actually come into play, and like people suffering from depression and anxiety and feeling lonely outside of social media. Because on social media, it might seem like you got, oh, she got 5,000 friends, she got all this. But in reality, homegirl ain't got no friends. Homegirl don't even really chill people. She just be taking her little pictures and on the go. Like, so it's just really taking that extra step to think about, oh, this person is really going through some other things that they don't really get to talk about. A lot of times in households, you're told to pray about it and talk to God and things like that, which is really true. You do need to talk to him, because at the end of the day, that's what you're looking forward to. So you do need to stay prayed up, and you do need to talk to God and all that. But at the end of the day, you need to talk to somebody as well and get that stuff out. Because if you hold it in, you're just going to be a big ball of anger, being miserable and being depressed. And you're going to be in that dark place that you don't like being in, and that's not okay. It's not okay.
Not okay, man. Not okay.
No.
And like she said on social media, you know, social media is all fun and games and everything, but if you really look at it, bro, social media is for people that really don't have any social skills, because all social media is behind the screen of a phone, a computer, a tablet, an iPad. Like,
that's all kids
do these people not really have a social aspect of life? Like, I think the social aspect of life is getting cut out and it's getting put into social media, and it's like, oh, have all these followers and you're something. But you know, like she said, that stuff really doesn't mean anything in the grand scheme of life. It doesn't really mean anything. All that is gonna perish, just like everything else when you go to heaven or hell. You know what I'm saying? When you die, you can't take social media with you. You can't take your followers with you. Like, they really don't even follow you. They don't even know why they follow you. So
they might not even know you, sis.
They don't know you. I mean, somebody who has 20K followers, you think every 20,000 followers know that person personally?
They only follow one person back. Look at Gucci and Keisha. They only follow themselves back. It's YouTubers that only follow them and their partner. They only follow one person. Like,
but yeah, social media has put a lot of more death into the mental health state, because that social media can really get to people, man, and it can make people commit suicide, or you know, just feel like they less of a person because they don't have as many followers as they friend, or like, and it's just like, when are we gonna wake up and realize, like, bro, this is not even what it's about, bro. Fellowship is about people that are here in the flesh, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, right here, me and her. Like, I'd rather talk to her.
Grab your buddy and go have a meal together.
Yeah, or a drink or something like that. But I'd rather do something face to face rather than sit behind the phone all day and text somebody or all that kind of stuff.
Like that.
It's watered down.
Come spend the night with me. I don't like all that texting all day long. Come be with me. Let's chill. Let's go do something. Let's go hiking
or something. You know what I'm saying? She don't even like hiking, bro.
I do. I knew he was gonna say that, but I do. But it's scary.
No, she doesn't. Scary how?
Shut up.
No, I'm not.
It was scary last time we went. I'm scared.
A few moments later.
It doesn't matter because I'm still here.
Period. Still here.
Still kicking
in the flesh.
We gonna conclude this video, and we just hope that, you know, somebody listens and somebody gets some type of value from this. You know, you can have your down days and your sad days, you know, take those. If you need them, take them. But get your butt back up and keep your head up and keep moving, man, because there ain't no rest for the weary, and don't nobody care about what you're going through except me and her and yourself and whoever else is in your circle.
Hit us up.
I care
Talk
about
to
you.
us.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a cool person.
DM
She's
us
a cool person.
on Instagram.
If y'all have any questions,
Snapchat,
you know, anything, put that stuff down in the
comment below.
You know what I'm saying?
Real.
Hit that subscribe button.
Hit that
share button.
We have not said that.
You know what I'm saying? I don't care, bro. I'm just in business mode right now because I feel like something is coming. I know something is coming.
But y'all do gotta comment below.
Please comment below. I don't care. Just put an emoji or a thumb up or something. If you want to shout out, if you want your name to be shout out of my mouth, out of her mouth, then you know, go ahead and do that, man. Go ahead and do that.
Comment below.
But yeah, I
hit that
appreciate you
subscribe
guys.
button and like this video because guess
Yeah,
what?
I'm rocking the Thrasher too.
Because guess what?
Dancing on graves.
Just when y'all think it's over, we got a game. Go, we got a game. Go, we got a game. Go.
Yeah, we got a game that we about to do after this video, so we gonna get to it.
Game.
It's called How Well Do We Know Each Other? But we just gonna do little 5. Cause I know I'm gonna win regardless, so I don't wanna hurt his feelings too bad. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into this game. Bang.
A few moments later.
You wanna go first? You want me to go first? I'll go first. How many pair
What?
of Jordans do I have?
What kind of question is that?
It's a good question. I feel like you should know that
You don't
question.
even know the answer.
How do I not know the answer to how many pair of shoes I got? Just guess.
15.
No. It's close though. Not 15. You can have one more guess.
10.
Ooh. And again.
Probably an 8 question.
I think it's like 12.
You don't even know.
Yes, I do know. But go ahead, man. Oh yeah, that's one for me.
Boy, if you don't.
How many fashion shows I have at ETSU?
How many fashion shows did you have at ETSU? Say 3.
No.
Okay, well, hey. 4.
Close. It's
Oh.
5.
Well,
Okay,
considering
go.
I wasn't there when her first year, so I wouldn't know that question. So, like, okay, you can have that.
Yeah.
What size shirt do I wear?
Medium. What size shirt do I wear?
A small. Bro, you can't ask me the same questions, bro.
Okay, what size shoe do I wear?
Bro, like a 7 or 8.
No.
Oh, I don't know. You have small feet.
I wear 8.5.
Bro, did I not just say 7 or 8, fam? Like, you,
What?
I didn't get the little half part.
No, didn't.
Whatever. Okay, I got that one wrong. So, it's...
2 wrong.
Okay, I don't care if she wins this game. It's really don't. Let's see, what year is my car?
I think 2013.
And
2012.
and
What is it?
2010.
You a cat.
Why would I cap? Cap about what? Don't touch me. Dang, you the enemy right now. Talking about some
You the
cap.
enemy. Don't call me the enemy, best friend.
No, come on, what's your
Honey, it's
question?
my favorite season.
What the your favorite season?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hear this, fam? She just asked what her favorite season is. Like, I'm the... Man, I'm gonna just say summer. Like, what you mean?
The other is.
Spring?
Yes, spring is here. Spring is here. It's the best time of the year.
So how you gonna like spring when it rain all the time, but you not gonna like summer when it's sunny? You backwards.
I do like summer, but spring is my favorite.
Whatever.
Cause
How is spring your favorite?
it's like, cause it's that
You ain't
middle.
never said that anyways. You ain't never said nothing like that. Now all of a sudden we get on the video and spring is her favorite.
What? You did?
Okay.
You didn't know that?
It rains in the springtime. That's how stuff grows. You know what
Okay,
I'm saying? So
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah,
yeah.
it's pretty, but it's really raining.
I mean, yeah, I like hot girl
Stop touching
summer.
me. Yeah, okay.
I
so
like hot girl summer too.
yeah,
but
and
it's
she
not
like
my-
Megan Thee Stallion, so that's why I'm thinking it's hot girl summer. But you know what? It's
Y'all
not
wanna see
hot
my
girl
Megan
summer.
knees?
No. No.
No.
No. Next question.
Go. Show time, best friend. Before I show them how Megan needs to her new album. What's the question?
I'm thinking, fam.
Oh,
Can
sorry.
like,
You got your
yeah.
thinking cap. You got your thinking cap off. Y'all, this is thinking cap.
Who is my favorite rapper?
I mean, you got a couple. Travis Scott.
Yeah.
I could say he's one of my favorites. So
What middle school did I go to?
I don't know where you were in middle school. I don't know if you was in Knoxville or Virginia.
Y'all, now he's really acting. Because I didn't show him my middle school. Every time we pass it, I showed it to him.
I know what the middle school is, but I don't know if that's the one Willow Springs, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, I knew that.
What's up, QUAN RARA gang? And I'm back closing out this video, of course. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll be doing more of how well do we know each other. That was just a little something. But I just want to come to give the shout out. Shout out goes to Chloe Harwood, girl. Thank you for being the first person to comment on our last video. Stay watching. Make sure you watch out this video and make sure you comment at the bottom so you can be the next person to get a shout out on our video, on our next video, because it's gonna be lit. And we love y'all. Smash this like button, smash the subscribe button, comment below, watch this whole video, follow us on social medias, and stick around because we'll be back with more banger. I love y'all. Stay tuned. I'm out.